The Fluidsdata OCR and digitization tool has been developed to turn unstructured PBT report data, for example in PDF file format, into structured, queryable, digitized data that can then be used for future data analysis work. The entry point of the application is the File Upload and Selection screen, which allows users to upload local files from their machine in PDF or image format on this page, or Excel file format on this subpage. It should be noted as well that once a file is uploaded, it is stored in the cloud, so upon future need, the file will not need to be uploaded manually by the user again. It will be already available in this list. Once the file is uploaded, the user can select one or more files from this list and queue them for processing. This processing step includes multiple sub-steps, such as image preparation, which deskews and sharpens all page images before sending them on to the OCR pipeline, where an optical character recognition model extracts unstructured text from the PDF pages and transforms it into queryable digital text. After this, table detection and reconstruction are performed in combination by computer vision models and some proprietary algorithms. Once this is finished, the report is then saved to the cloud and accessible for the next portion of the application. The reports can then be found in this table, where they are selected by the user. The first page of the report is now visible, along with the option to add some header data. Here we can see all of the pages where the app has found tables, along with the predicted table type for each one. Let's take a look at the first table, found to be a constant composition expansion test. Here we can see the constructed table alongside the PDF table that the data has come from. As you can see, all of the numerical data along with the column headers have been captured and structured into a data frame. If the user is not satisfied with the structure of the initial table, we do provide the option to manually redefine the table boundary and reperform the table extraction. This can be done easily by dragging this bounding box. For instance, if we only wanted to capture the data in these two columns, there are additional controls, but these are usually not necessary when the quality of the report is good, as it is in this case. This area can then be reprocessed, and the results are shown below. If it looks good, you can hit the Replace Table button, which will overwrite the previous table and curate the data to the needs of the user. The next step from here is to enter the column mapping process. This page allows subject matter experts to map the table column headers from the original report to standard fields found in the application's configuration database. This database is also the backbone of the prediction process, meaning that any changes made by the expert or data scientist will be saved and applied for future predictions, meaning less and less work is required as more reports are processed. As you can see here, several columns have already been mapped to the standard names found in the database. We have also implemented keyword mapping, where individual words and pieces of text from the report table can be selected and mapped to the corresponding term in the configuration database. With the column and header data mapped, the user can now view the digitized report and make any necessary changes before saving. The final step of the digitization process consists of merging different tests from different reports and uploading them all to the backend API. This table here will show the list of saved reports that have already been processed, along with counts for each type of table type found within them. You can get a quick overview of the table here, and then under the Merged Files tab, you can filter by test type, in this case, constant composition expansion, and this is where, if you had multiple reports, each containing similar test types, you could merge them into one file containing multiple tables from each report. And once that is done, you can upload them to the database.